Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to make some peppered shrimp. I'm just giving these shrimp a final wash because I had washed them down in lime juice and a little vinegar. As you can see, these are the big jumbo shrimps I'm going to be using. In here, I want you guys to see, I have green peppers, red peppers, ginger, thyme, garlic, and onion. I blend everything out. So, I'm gonna put some in here. Over here, I have 3 different kinds of peppers. I have your regular Scotch bonnet, habanero, and you know this brings the heat. These are ghost peppers. And that's what's gonna go in the pot. These I'm definitely gonna put 1. I think I should put this one. I'm gonna bring you and show you what it looks like. Ooh, I can smell the pepper. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put some jerk sauce, the dried powdered jerk sauce. Garlic allspice, some cumin I love garlic, so I'm gonna put a little garlic, more garlic powder. And a little Larry seasoning. Cover this. I'm gonna put some butter. And cover it and let it simmer down. After a few minutes, you give it a nice stir. Check this out, guys. And you know shrimp is the type of thing you don't cook too long. So what I'm gonna do is turn the fire off. And I'm just gonna let it simmer down. And this is the end result of my famous peppered shrimp. Okay, and this is the end result of my peppered shrimp. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out Princess AGTV, and I want you to go and check out my man, the Smoking Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.